Welcome to today's video. Today we'll be talking about two sample t-test in Microsoft Excel. The data set we'll be using for the two sample t-test is an Adler data set. The data set consists of experimental expectation. That is, when this data was collected, the experimenter was told prior the collection of the data set that the data is either of high quality or low quality with predetermined rating. So the choice of experiments we are going to use for this study is to test if the rating for the high is actually statistically different from the low, as the case may be. And to do that, we cannot just take the data summary. We need to subject it to test. So, and that is why we are running the two sample t-test on this data set. So to get this done on Excel, these are the procedure we do. Excel actually has limitation, but there is nothing we can do actually everything about it. Just that we need to do some small data manipulation. And the test of hypothesis here is that we want to test if the high rating is actually different from that of the low. So to do that, we can create a separate variable here, and you name it I. Then just beside it, you can name the second one low. So you copy the high values here and the low values in this particular region. So let's begin by copying it one after the other. You copy for the high, then you paste it here with Ctrl C. Then you also copy for low again. The next set you're having is low. You copy, then you come here to paste, then you go down a bit to see I, then you copy it, Ctrl C to copy, then you come here, you paste with Ctrl V. Then the next one you go again, you Ctrl C, then you come here to paste with Ctrl V. So you go again for I, you copy to the last part, Ctrl C, then you come here, Ctrl V. Okay, from the last one you come Ctrl C, then you can paste Ctrl V. So we have our data set here now for the high and low rating. Now to perform the experiment here, we are going to just click anywhere. You click on data, you come to data analysis, then you find your way to two sample assuming equal variances. So you click OK. Then from the OK, you can this place will be blank when you are doing it for the first time. It will be blank, and here too will be blank, like that. So what you want to do is that you see variable 1 range. For the variable 1 range, you can select I as the variable 1 range. Then you click and you drag it down to the last row. Then you lift the drag. Then you come to variable 2 range. Then you go up, you select from low, you drag it down to the last part. Then the hypothesized mean difference, we actually want to test that the difference between the low rating is actually different from that of the high. So you put your hypothesized mean difference to be 0. Then you click on label to indicate that the first row of our data set is actually the label, is the variable name. Then our alpha level, this is also called the significance level, is set to be 95%. and 95% level of confidence is equivalent to 0.05 alpha, which is also known as level of significance. Now we are to set where our output will be displayed. So you click on output range first. When you click on the output range, then you click inside the box, then you can go anywhere on the spreadsheet to select where you want your output to be displayed. So you click, then you click OK. Here we have our results as our two sample t-test. So that is all about the two sample t-test. Thank you for joining the video.